I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter chicken gravy. First, gather your ingredients. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes until they are soft and fragrant, building a crucial flavor base. Next, we'll introduce the key elements. Pour in 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook this mixture for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the tomatoes have broken down and the oil begins to separate. Now for the magic of texture. Add 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth to the mixture and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until it is completely smooth. Strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve for an extra silky texture. Finally, we'll perfect the gravy. Return the smooth gravy to the pan. Stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of butter until fully incorporated and heated through. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving this rich, creamy, and flavorful butter chicken gravy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.